welcome back to Paralegal Business Owner with Neil. And I would like to talk about today if you, as a paralegal or legal document preparer, should ever do free work. All right, this is important because a lot of businesses and a lot of different industries offer free work or free products or services as a way to draw the customer in to eventually buy. And and so, you know, you have to approach this, in a unique way, especially with this industry, because normally, um, you would, for a task, whether if it's a lawyer reaching out for a business or whatever, you normally would charge by the task or by the hour. All right, and um, so this is a very unique situation. Okay, so the answer, if you want to get down to it, the answer to this question is rarely. Okay, you should very rarely give out free work in this industry. Okay, and the reason being is, first of all, you're performing tasks that require precision, time, and effort. So in order to put your best foot forward, payment has to be there. All right. Money is an incentive. Of course, you want to be the best at what you do, but you also don't want to be worried about anything else while you're focusing on the task, especially money. Okay. And second of all, you want to rarely do this because I'm going to talk about how you do it as well, but you want to rarely do this because, this is just not the industry for that, like that. Okay. And so the times, in my opinion, where it's okay to maybe do something for free for somebody is, if they've just been spending with you consistently, they need you every week. Okay, and then every once in a while you can give them, do something for free of charge, but that's for your heavy, you know, your customers who are really in tune and need you a lot. Okay, um, that should really be the only time you do it. And even then, you should only be doing it every once in a while. Do not make it a habit because one, you're not going to do your best work, and two, this is not a charity. Okay, you study long and hard, whether you got a certificate or a degree or whether you're self-taught, you study long and hard to get to where you're at. You're running a business and not a charity. Okay, so when you want to do something for free for somebody, it should be on your own will. Don't let nobody talk you into it, or because this is not the industry for that. People, it's just not, in my opinion. I mean, I know they have pro bono services for lawyers, but you're not a lawyer. Okay, all right. You know, uh, and you just don't have the room for that, in my opinion. Now, if maybe somebody might have pulled your heartstrings, like I said, every once in a while, but this is not a charity. Okay, this should, if they cannot afford you, tell them to come back or find somebody cheaper. Don't lower your rates to appease somebody, because then you're gonna, in the long run, despise that and still might not give your best work. So, you know freebies are really should be a rare thing, and if you never do them, that's okay too. Okay, um when you, and then you're in business for yourself as well, so there's not a lot of it's there's not a lot of, you don't have a safety net like that. Okay, um to just be taking on free stuff all the time, that's just especially in this industry, and especially with lawyers. Okay, lawyers get paid, most lawyers are paid very hefty retainers. They can afford you. Okay, so don't be scared to put out your price for what you do. And this is why you got to become the best of what you do, so that you can charge your customers with confidence and deliver the best work. So the answer to this question, in my opinion, this is an opinionated video, uh, but it is rarely should you do anything for free, if ever. Okay, within this industry. And on top of that, with people you do, you never, just don't do it. Oh, rarely. That's how I look at it. With your own experiences, you'll come up with your own way to, if you ever offer free work. But that's just the take I have. So with that being said, I do appreciate you guys. And I will see you on the next one. And it's Neil, and peace out.